Today, we make a homemade juice that cleanses the liver in just 3 days. You need 10 minutes to make it. And all the ingredients in the recipe are healthy and natural. Drink 2 glasses a day. The first in the morning on an empty stomach, half an hour before breakfast, and the second in the evening before going to bed. In addition to detoxifying the liver, this healthy drink cleans blood vessels and lowers cholesterol. It is a real natural balm for cleaning your liver from toxins, alcohol, and fats. Watch the video from start to finish and discover how this amazing juice is made. So let's go. The first ingredient that we will use in this recipe is beetroot. Take 1 beetroot and wash it well, then peel the beetroot and cut into small slices. Beetroot is often praised for its potential benefits in supporting liver health and cleansing. Beetroot contains betalains, which help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the liver. The compounds in beetroot can enhance the liver's ability to detoxify harmful substances by promoting bile production. Beetroot is a good source of dietary fiber, which aids digestion and helps eliminate toxins from the body. The nitrates in beetroot can improve circulation, potentially enhancing nutrient delivery to the liver. Some studies suggest that beetroot can help reduce fat accumulation in the liver, which is beneficial for those with fatty liver disease. Regular consumption of beetroot can promote overall liver function and health, helping the organ perform its vital detoxifying roles. Beetroot can enhance the activity of liver enzymes that are crucial for detoxification processes. The next ingredient is lemon juice. Take 3 lemons and wash it well, then cut the lemons and squeeze the juice from it. Lemons are high in vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps protect liver cells from damage and supports overall immune function. The citric acid in lemons can help stimulate the liver's natural detoxification processes, promoting the elimination of toxins. Lemons can increase bile production, which is essential for digestion and fat metabolism, aiding liver function. Despite their acidity, lemons have an alkalizing effect on the body, which can help balance pH levels and reduce acidity in the liver. Lemon juice can aid in digestion and reduce bloating, which indirectly supports liver health by ensuring efficient nutrient absorption. Lemons contain flavonoids and other antioxidants that can help combat oxidative stress in the liver. Drinking lemon water encourages hydration, which is essential for optimal liver function and flushing out toxins. The third ingredient is parsley leaves. Take a bunch of parsley and wash it well, then chop the parsley. Parsley contains flavonoids and vitamin C, which help reduce oxidative stress and protect liver cells from damage. It has compounds that promote liver detoxification processes, helping the liver eliminate toxins more effectively. Parsley acts as a natural diuretic, which can help increase urine production and flush out excess fluids and toxins from the body. The fiber in parsley aids digestion, promoting better nutrient absorption and reducing the load on the liver. Parsley has anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce inflammation in the liver and throughout the body. It's high in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like iron and potassium, which contribute to overall health and liver function. The chlorophyll in parsley can help detoxify the body and support liver health by binding to heavy metals and other toxins. After this, transfer all the ingredients to the blender. Then add 2 glasses of water. After adding all the ingredients to the blender, then grind all the ingredients in the blender. Then strain this mixture with the help of strainer. You can also drink this juice without filtering it. Pour the juice into a glass. This quantity is enough for 2 days. Share with someone who needs it and drop a "Yes, I will try it." Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.